Most people think solar is complicated, but it turns out it's one of the simplest energy forms that you can understand. Just a positive and a negative. I install solar systems for a living, and today I'm going to talk you through how it works, step by step. So step one, first you have the solar panel, which just basically takes light, doesn't necessarily have to be sunlight. It will work in a building, and it outputs DC power, which isn't really usable by our homes or some of our products, right? DC is different than AC power. Step two, that power that gets produced by the solar panel is inverted. And so you may hear microinverters or string inverters. What they do is take that direct current or DC power and convert it to AC. That way your house can use it. The power goes right into your home from those solar panels and is used by light bulbs, appliances, or whatever you have running. If you don't use all the energy from the solar panels, which can happen, this overproduction, that extra bit of power can be sent one of two places. One, into a home battery, where it charges the battery and stores it for later, or it can just be sent to the grid. And you'll get a credit for it on your bill, and that's part of a net metering program. That's as easy as it is. The systems are simple, they're reliable, and they're proven. And I can show you how it works and explain it. So if you have any questions, you'll understand. But this is a big shift to producing power ourselves, to becoming energy independent, and not worrying about when the power goes out, or if a data center is going to move in and take all the power, or if the utility is going to raise the rates. In my next videos, I'll start showing you how these systems work and explaining the different components from an actual installer, because I've installed hundreds of systems and I can walk you through all the different kinds of systems and how they work. Become a power pioneer, sign up for the movement, and be curious. Watch a video, learn a thing or two, and purchase some type of product, a battery, solar panel, and learn about it, experiment, and then share it with your friends, talk about it, and help people understand how the renewable energy works.